The Xiaomi 14 and Xiaomi 14 Pro have already been released in China, and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra will soon be available globally. The question is whether the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a perfect rival for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in the global market, or if it is simply disguised as Ultra. The answer to this question will be revealed in this video, so be sure to watch it all the way through. Let's talk about the major specs first. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is expected to be the successor to the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, with several upgrades over the current flagship model. The phone has a 6.7-inch 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display with 2K resolution, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, and a quad-rear camera setup. It offers 12GB and 16GB of RAM and excellent memory support. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra has a 5080 mAh battery with 90 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging capabilities. In terms of software, the phone comes preloaded with Android 14 and Xiaomi's all-new operating system HyperOS. It also has excellent water and dust resistance. I know I haven't mentioned the chipset information yet, but there is a twist to it. Wait a minute, I will reveal that as well. When it comes to cameras, the setup is expected to improve significantly, with same Leica optics. The main camera is a powerful 50MP Sony LYT900 with an Summilux lens and a wide aperture range. It also has a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 50MP telephoto lens with an impressive focal length and faster aperture. There is also a 32MP front-facing camera for selfies, which uses the punch-hole design. Before we discuss the heart of the phone, share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe the Xiaomi 14 Ultra can compete with the S24 Ultra on the international market? Now, speaking of processors, both the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. However, it is important to note that the S24 Ultra's chipset is designed specifically for Galaxy phones, providing better core performance and a faster GPU than the regular 8 Gen 3. That difference might clarify why, in Geekbench scores, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is ahead of the Exynos version S24 Plus, but lags behind the S24 Ultra's 8 Gen 3 specially designed version for Galaxy phones. And remember, I haven't even mentioned the AI features of the Samsung S24 Ultra yet, which are the real deal breakers. The S24 Ultra has jumped ahead of the smartphone competition with a ton of AI features, signaling to all of its competitors that if they want to compete, they must also up their AI game. Although the Xiaomi 14 Ultra has impressive camera specs and surpasses the S24 Ultra in terms of RAM and battery, I believe that in the future, the main selling point for smartphones won't just be their cameras and design, but also their AI features. The company that offers better AI features might take the lead in the game. Perhaps that's why, instead of focusing solely on camera advancements and design, Samsung has heavily invested in AI. The record-breaking pre-orders for the Samsung S24 Ultra indicate that AI is the real game changer. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more new videos. I'll see you in the next one. This is Techtics signing off.